Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Philips LED TV 5600, 5700, or 4700 series, it will work on all of these. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. And you do not have access to the television menu to do it. Maybe your TV is frozen. We're trying to troubleshoot it because it's not responding and things like that. We can go ahead and perform this reset. We can force it into this reset mode without actually accessing the television menu. Now you're going to need to set everything up again, but that might be why you want to do this if you want to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box. There's two options. Some of you can check on the back. Some of them have a reset button. If it has a reset button, all you need to do is use a paper clip or whatever and press and hold that reset button for about 15 seconds until the lights go off. And then you can go ahead and wait a few seconds and turn the TV back on. If it does not have a reset button, you can do it by pressing the power and the mute button on the television. So this is not on your remote control. This is on your television. You're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for several seconds. And then after those several seconds, while continuing to hold them, you can unplug the television. Again, wait a few more seconds, approximately 10 seconds once it's unplugged, all the while continuing to hold these two buttons. Then plug it back in. Wait 5 to 10 more seconds once it's plugged in, and it will start up in its factory default settings.